Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through how to get started with the modern QAction experience. Let's start with how to access the new interface from the current QAction. Within QAction, under your user profile in the top right, you'll see an option to switch to the modern UI. Once you click that, the page will reload and you'll be taken to the modern UI experience. This updated interface is designed to make you work faster, easier, and more intuitive so you can focus on what matters most. Whether you're managing tasks in your inbox, reviewing documents, or navigating between workflows, everything has been streamlined into a cleaner, more efficient layout. And most importantly, you're in control. You can explore the new experience at your own pace and switch back at any time. Your user profile still lives in the top right-hand corner, and underneath the menu, you'll see an option to switch back to the legacy view. Once again, doing this will refresh your page and you'll be taken back to the old QAction experience. Let's switch back to the modern interface and take a deeper dive into it. Let's start with the layout in the modern UI. On the left-hand side, you'll see your new navigation bar. Towards the top, you'll see the app bar, which will contain your user profile and a few other options as well. And in the center, you'll see your main work area. Let's highlight the new navigation bar. This is where you'll see key areas of QAction, including your home dashboard, your inbox, documents, tasks, and forms, as well as any custom views that you've set up. If you'd like to get more work area, you can always collapse this panel as well. This will give you a smaller version that pops out when you hover towards the left-hand side, and you can restore it to the full view at any time. Up top, you'll see the app bar, which will contain the title of the page that you're on, your notification bell, your help options, the help chat, some settings, as well as your user profile, where you can do things like access your account, switch to dark mode, access keyboard shortcuts, and a few other things as well. In the center of the screen is your main workspace. This is where you'll interact with tasks, documents, and data. This layout is designed to make information easier to scan and actions easier to take. One of the most important areas is your inbox. This is your central hub for tasks and action items assigned to you. Here you can quickly access task details like due date, priority, and status. You can search, sort, and even filter to focus on what matters most. In the left-hand side, you'll see the list of tasks, and you can click through those to access the full object information on the right-hand side, which includes the tasks, documents, notes, timeline, workflow, related items, and up top, all of your information for your object. Another key area is documents. Here you can browse, search, and even preview and edit documents without ever leaving the application. You might notice that there's a few different ways information can open in the new UI, whether it's a drawer on the right-hand side or in a dialog. You can have multiple dialogues open, and you can snap them to the corners of your window. There's a link to open in a new tab. so you can get a full page experience. You can also copy the link to share with others. As you get started, we recommend trying a few of your everyday tasks, like checking your inbox, opening a task, or reviewing a document. Take some time to explore the layout and get familiar with where things live. And remember, you can always switch back to the legacy experience at any time while you get comfortable. This is just the beginning of our modernization effort, and we'll continue improving the experience based on your feedback. For more help, including guides and updates, visit support.qflow.com for any help. Thanks for taking the time to explore the new QAction experience, and we look forward to hearing your feedback.